truly sorry, but things have changed. You're not the girl I used to love. It's killing me, and in the depths of my memories, your stories echo from the past. Because your face cannot when you're a black past. So real,